The class of principle of accounting, you have 1 hour, but if you have after 1 hour, if you have another class, then you just leave the class without waiting me, because I have to cover this question and fulfill the answer, full of answer of this question. All right. Okay, first question is, Encik Toyib comments business with a capital of 100,000. So the capital is 100,000 and then the 20,000 is you bank into the bank. Then cash at bank will increase. Cash at bank will increase by 20,000, and then cash on hand is you have another 80,000, so also increase, and then capital remain of 100,000. So we can record into the journal. All right, cash at bank cash at bank, cash in hand or on hand, and then capital of 100,000. This is from the transition you just interpret into the journal. All right, cash at bank is 20,000. And then the remaining is 80,000 is the money you have in hand is 80,000. All right, because of so cash in hand is 80,000 debit, and then cash at bank is 20,000. This is a capital January 1st, and then the capital you choose the 2 line because of just one account. Cash is 100,000. Okay, but this is very difficult. And then next is very easy one. I hope we can complete this discussion. All right, bought goods is you have to highlight 2 accounts, goods and cash. So goods is, when referred to the goods, is always purchase. All right, purchase, because of purchase is the purchase means you purchase the goods or the goods to be resale. So purchase increase, this is expenses, and then increase debit, and then cash is decrease, and then is asset credit. So purchase, debit, and January 1st, purchase and cash in hand of how much? 70,000 ringgit. Okay, go straight away to, please do not, you have to prepare the rangka. And then you just fill up into the journal and the ledger. Purchase of 70,000. purchase please choose the purchase here after a capital of 70,000. This is cash in hand, January 1st. Alright, and then next is cash in hand. Cash in hand is credit of January 1st is credit, right? Credit, cash in hand, purchases of 70,000. Next, okay, this one already covered. And then, alright, this one, sold good to Sulaiman. Please highlight first. Please highlight. 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 Please highlight. Highlight. Dah minggu 14 tak ada highlighter. Highlight. So this one Sulaiman and sold. Alright. Sold is sales. Sulaiman is debtor. Sulaiman is asset. Increase. Sale revenue increase. Then this is credit, this is debit. Okay. Then the general is debit, debtor Sulaiman. Okay, the analysis you can put below the transition. So January 2, debtor Sulaiman and sales. Okay, debtor Sulaiman and sales of how much? 38,000. Okay. So debtor Sulaiman debit. Debtor Sulaiman debit. So choose the debtor Sulaiman. Debtor Sulaiman debit of 38,000 and sales January 2. Okay, and then sales is January 2 debtor Sulaiman 38,000. And then sold good for cash. You highlight sold and cash. Okay, sold is sales Cash is cash. Revenue. This one is cash is asset. Increase. Asset debit and credit. So debit cash, credit sale. Debit cash, credit sale. Debit cash in hand 9,000. So cash in hand is debit side. So go to cash in hand account. Cash in hand debit side of 9,000 is sales 15, and then sales account 15. Cash 9,000. Okay, get it or not? And then 21st, you have highlight. Sulaiman and Co paid by check. Check is different. So Sulaiman and Co check. So Sulaiman and Co is debtor. Debtor Sulaiman. Check is what? Cash at bank. Okay, debtor Sulaiman is asset. Also asset increase and the paid by check. Paid by check. Then paid by check is increase. Asset increase. Cash at bank bertambah sebab awak dapat duit. Okay, cash at bank is increased because you got the money. Alright, cash at bank is 35,000. So debit, this one is debit, credit. Debit cash at bank, credit debtor Sulaiman. Okay, debit 15, 21st, debit what? Cash at bank, and credit what? Debtor Sulaiman of how much? 35,000. So cash at bank 35,000. Debtor Sulaiman 21st. And then debtor Sulaiman is credit January 21. Cash at bank 35,000. Okay, next is stationery. Highlight stationery and check. So this is stationery. Cash at bank, expenses, asset, increase, decrease. So debit, credit. Debit stationery, credit what? Cash at bank. 22nd debit stationery of 2,000, cash at bank 2,000. Then go to account stationery. You choose the Stationery of 2000 January 22 cash at bank. And then cash at bank, credit stationery January 32nd of stationery 2000. Okay, and then the rest is you just, if I slow, then you have to try to another question. Okay, paid, rent, cash, salaries, cash. Alright, this one debit, no need to, because of it's same as 22nd. Alright, same transaction, similar. Alright, similar, then I no need to explain detail. Just on 22nd is telephone, and then credit what? Cash in hand. You have to refer back whether cash at bank and cash in hand. So the telephone is 500. Then you go to account telephone. $500 cash in hand. 22nd, and then cash in hand account is credit. January 22 telephone 500. Okay, paid rent and 31st rent and cash in hand of 2000. So rent, cash in hand, credit 31st, rent 2000, and then rent 2000. And then salaries is of 31st. Salaries 3000, and then cash in hand 3000, and then cash in hand credit salaries 3000, and then create new account of salaries, and then last withdrawal, 31st withdrawal of 5,000, and then credit what? Credit cash in hand. $5,000. Withdrawal okey. So kita dah siap. Then saya pakai pen merah. I'm using the red pen to differentiate to close account. So you have here and then you choose the in debit and credit, choose the which one greater amount, whether debit or credit. Which one is greater? Debit 89. So you using your calculator, 89,000. Then is 89,000. Then the 39,000 you have to deduct of the balance, because this amount you have to calculate. That's why you have to, this total of credit side have to, the total is 89,000. Then how to get 89,000? This 89,000 you have to minus 70,000, minus 500, minus 2,000, minus 3,000, and minus 500. This is called balance CD. So how much balance CD? 89,000 minus this one. How much you get? Using your calculator. 89,000 minus 70,000, not 7,000. Minus 500, minus 2,000. Using your calculator. If you have calculator, then you can use your handphone. Huh? Yes, 500, correct. Okay, and then this is February 1st balance BD at 8,500. Because I did one on the, I got one of two students, they do not know how to close the account. It's not easy, but sometimes it can be difficult because you don't know how to close the account. Alright, and then cash at bank also same. So please answer by your own. Don't wait my answer, right? I hope. Wow. Kipas awak tak lakukan. $55,000, and then this is balance C stroke D, 53,000, and then this is February 1 balance B stroke D, 53,000. Allah Akbar. And then Dr. Sulaiman again, please do it by your own. Hopefully you can create one. I hope everybody will get try by own. Dr. Sulaiman, for this question only, I will your answer before I proceed. I will look your answer. Try it on the final thing that you use pencil if you don't use the pen. Because if you're wrong, then take time. So I will make your answer. Then I will. Okay, good. Dah. Dah buat. Kalau tak tahu, you can refer back my record, alright? I'm sure that you very interested my video, right? First ranking, right? 38,000. Hopefully 1 million view. Right. Correct. Good, very good. Sale for this one. For this one, you just also same. This one is considered 0, and then 47. Okay. And then campur. Yang awak tolak mahal. 38,000 lah, bukannya refer back to your answer, and then withdrawal is yeah. So February 1 balance BD is 5,000. Okay. This one is very easy. If the single transaction or one transaction, then it's very easy. Kalau ini pun tak buat, baik awak ucap So salaries okay. Then you prepare the trial balance. Trial balance is Aduh. So you refer to balance BD, not CD, right? BD. Debit, credit, then cash in hand. BD, right? 8,500 debit. So refer to cash in hand is debit here. Try to highlight and then try balance. Debit. So please refer BD, right? BD. Broke down of cash at bank, cash in hand, and then cash at bank. How much cash at bank? 53,000. Capital 100,000, and then purchases 70,000. And then debtor Sulaiman, 3,000, and then sales 47,000, and then stationery 2,000, and then telephone 500, and then rent 2,000, and then salaries 3,000, and then last is drawing or withdrawal 5,000. Okay, use your calculator. $147,000. Okay, balance. Okay, this is what you call systematic. I don't have the answer. Then this is the first time I got balance. Okay. Congratulations to me and to you. Alright, because got balance, and this is the answer. Alright, I will give all these answers after my last class on Thursday. Okay, thanks very much.